Former President Rodrigo Duterte's lead lawyers said there was a compelling argument to throw out the International Criminal Court case against the former president before it even comes to trial. In an interview with Agence France Presse on Sunday, March 30, Duterte's lead counsel, British-Israeli lawyer Nicholas Kaufman, said he hopes to stop the case before the ICC confirms the charges against Duterte by arguing that the court cannot exercise its jurisdiction. Kaufman said the Philippines' withdrawal from the court had become effective well before an investigation was authorized. On March 17, 2018, former President Duterte withdrew the Philippines from the Rome Statute, the treaty that established the ICC. However, the withdrawal from the court took effect precisely a year later. Kaufman said that as the defense counsel, he thinks that the jurisdictional argument of Duterte's case is compelling and should succeed before the court. Kaufman added they hope to persuade the court's judges that they cannot exercise its jurisdiction over the case. Kaufman also said that a confirmation of charges hearing, where the prosecutor and defense first lay out their evidence, won't proceed if the judges rule in their favor. However, when the court issued its arrest warrant for Duterte, it noted that the alleged crimes took place while the country was still an ICC member. The confirmation of charges hearing for the former president's case is scheduled on September 23, 2025. Another likely critical issue for the defense will be Duterte's arrest on March 11 and his rapid handover to the ICC in The Hague. According to Kaufman, he views the arrest of the former president as kidnapping. He explained that the former president was not given due process and was just slung over to The Hague, Netherlands. Kaufman said that during the arrest, the former president should have been brought before a judge before he was thrown onto a plane and dumped in The Hague. Furthermore, Kaufman also said that the arrest of the former president was a political hit job. According to Kaufman, the current government in the country ended up in a situation where they need to get former President Duterte out of the country's picture. The former president is facing a charge of crimes against humanity for murder he allegedly committed during his administration's war on drugs.